Hello, assalamu alaikum, and hello to everybody. I'm going to show you a quick recipe today. It's like a village food basically. It's like a snack type. I've got aubergine here, whole aubergine fresh. I'm going to cut it to small pieces, round pieces. Okay, I've cut it two different ways. This is one way of cutting it long, and then I've done a circle one. I'm going to season it with salt, bit of turmeric, not last of it, a bit of chili as well. That's done. Mix it well, guys. Get all the spice and the aubergine so you have a nice flavor afterwards. Okay, I've mixed everything together. As you can see, it's lightly spiced, seasoned. Okay, just a tiny bit of coriander powder, just a little bit, guys, not too much. I think that should be okay. Again, a bit of salt. And again, tiny bit of turmeric. Okay, mix it well. Okay, I'm going to add water now. Half a glass of water. So when you do this, guys, make sure you see if it's enough, if it's runny enough or is it thick enough, you know. You want to soak in the aubergine, so you have to be right. You see it's not thick, but you could see it's like quite smooth, not watery. And you have to make sure that's how you want it. Okay, it's done. Could you see? It's like this. So it's done. Okay, I'll show you. I'm gonna fry this now quickly. So I'll show you how. Okay, I'm gonna put all the aubergine stuff seasoned earlier inside here. Could use your hands, guys, as well. You know, so it's all not messy, but you know, you have to soak in. As you could see, you know, I could see that it's gonna stick on my finger. So it's important part, you know, when you're making the sauce, basically with the gram flour, make sure it's thick enough so it sticks to the aubergine. Okay, I'm gonna start with one. Bismillah. I'm gonna leave it in shallow. I'm gonna shallow fry this, not deep fry, shallow fry, so it cooks. I get the aubergine cooked as well properly, guys, so it gets more heat through quickly. So I've left it in a low heat because I want the aubergine to be cooked as well, not just the top part.
Okay, guys, it takes only a couple of minutes, max maybe 5 if you need it, max, guys. So I'm just going to turn them around a little bit so I get both sides cooked. And I'll put the heat a little bit up now because...
Okay, after a couple of minutes, as you could see, it's slightly golden brown. So I think it's done, guys. And could you see, like, you know, because I said you have to put the heat a little before you take it up, put the heat a little bit off so the oil doesn't, you know, goes in, it stays out. So you could see it's dry, quite dry.
It's like a mommy's gold memory lane recipe, this is a mommy's recipe. It's not mine, guys. I remember these things, you know, when I was young.
Cooking is finished, guys. Thank you. Okay, everybody, thank you very much for watching up to now. This is my end product. I'm gonna have it with tamarind sauce, mild, and sweet chili sauce. It's up to you what sauce you want to use. It's like a little snack in the evening, enjoying with your family, watching a movie or something. It's beautiful, light, very delicious. Thank you very much. Hopefully I'll see you soon with the next video. I hope everybody enjoyed my cooking. Please do comment and share and subscribe my channel. I'll really appreciate everybody and love you all. Thank you very much and assalamu alaikum.